awareness. Watsons is making diabetes care accessible, convenient, and inclusive for all ages. Diabetes care products are available nationwide in over 1,200 Watsons stores and through Watsons app. Customer can enjoy the flexibility of home delivery, click and collect through Watsons app. Customer can enjoy the flexibility to pick their orders at Watsons preferred stores.
There's no more insulin, so your body has to get insulin from outside of the body. And remember, this is a lifetime condition. But our kids will tell you how to manage it, right? So it may sound scary, but look at our hero peers. They are managing their diabetes very well. Okay? So what are the symptoms of type 1 diabetes? It's difficult to stay positive when you feel all the pain, prickling, and injecting your insulin. But we are all trying, correct? Who are here are having difficulty managing their diabetes? Oh, later. You're raising your hands.
Videos and pictures of this moment.